I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about Izzy Industries and some of the products that we carry. First off, who is Izzy Industries? Well, they're a family-owned and operated manufacturer of telecom electrical supply products who are dedicated to innovation in this rapidly growing industry. From cable components to hardware to weatherproofing, Izzy Industries makes the products that you're using once you get to the top of that tower. The products that we stock from Izzy Industries fall into the unique category of tower consumables. While our primary goal is to keep you safe when climbing towers, we also aim to provide you with the resources you need to perform your job at the highest level. And that's why we carry Izzy products. One aspect of performing your job safely includes having top quality parts to use. Some of the products you can find on our site include zip ties, compression lugs, hardware kits, and heat shrink sealers. And another great thing about these products from Izzy is we typically have stock on the shelf available to ship same day. Look for the quick ship logo on our website for products you need fast. To see our full selection of products from Izzy Industries, head over to gmesupply.com. Keep up with all of our videos by hitting that subscribe button. And follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn to stay updated on all of our promotions and giveaways.